Hello, thank you for dropping by the channel. I was doing a little edging today. It's March the 20th. Beautiful sunny day, as you can tell here. And I've got a lot of debris left over, a lot of grass clippings from that edging. So I want to blow that off. And it was the first time edging this year, so it's always kind of hard to reestablish the line, the edging line there. So it's quite a mess. But I'm going to get the blower that I have out here. This is a 4-cycle blower. Typically starts every year with 1 or 2 pulls. Just add gas, oil if needed. So I'm going to get it out. I'm going to try to do an unedited version of this. Complete cold starts since I think around September of last year. So let's go ahead and try this out. Blower is right here. It's a Makita. BHX 2500 CA MMA. Yeah, this has always started really well for me. Blows good, handheld, pretty lightweight. Don't know exactly the weight right now, but still pretty clean. You know, I'm probably not even going to check the filter. We're going to go ahead and just try to get this thing started. So let's check the oil though. So you can see it's pretty black. Needs to be changed this year for sure. I didn't change it last year. Okay, let's see if we've got enough oil. Plenty of oil. You can see it comes all the way up to the top hole there. By the way, this is 1030 weight oil that I use. That is what's recommended for this. Okay, so you can see no gas in it. So let's go ahead and add the gas. I try to run the gas out every time I use this, so we'll do that again today. Also try to store it. Well, there's no gas in there, so but it is always stored horizontally like that. So here's my gas. Just using. It might be better to use the non-ethanol, I'm not sure, but I'm just using 87 unleaded. Don't need a lot of gas. Don't have I just got like one sidewalk that's near the road. That's really what I wanted to do today. See the filter in there still? Maybe you can see it. It's pretty clean. Is that enough gas? Yeah, should be enough gas. Alright, so I'm gonna prime it. Where's the primer? I'm gonna prime it until I see gas coming into the line. Oh, primer bulb is right here, under here. Maybe you can see it. It's kind of hidden. Pull this up. Choke is closed at that. That's the closed position. You can see my camera's not really working very well here. Bear with me 1 second here. Let's try to. So we'll leave it in the closed position there. Pull it, till we hear it start. I think it'll start there, so I'll start it there. When I can remember, it'll start there, and then I'll gradually move it down to the run position. Let's see. Make sure that's in the on position. All right. Okay, I'm going to set up on the tripod here. Alright, so we're looking at an easy start again this year for the first time for this year. So we'll prime it on this side so maybe you can see this. So about 7 or 10 times. 3. Alright, there we go. 8, 9, 10. Alright, let's turn it over here. I'm not going to pull the throttle trigger there. I'm just going to pull it here. Okay, I'm going to start gradually putting it in the on position, the run position. So easy, so easy. I guess that'll be it, really. I will probably cut it here until I get out to where the sidewalk is. But as you can see, one start, I was really unbelievable. I love this unit here. Need to change the oil again. The wind blowing again. Okay, I'm going to have to do some of this by hand. First time first time, a lot of this will need to be just pulled up by hand, but okay, I still have a lot of gas, so I'm going to empty this into the gas container, and we're going to run it until it just dies out. So that was quick and easy. Looks much better at the road there. Yeah, the first time is always pretty difficult because it grows over the sidewalk, and you got to kind of redefine everything, and there's some lumps that I always have to end up pulling by hand. Not too many, but after the first time it's always much easier. Seems like everything is. So this thing should, here it goes. I really do need to change the oil, check the filter before I use this again. Alright, now we can store it back on the shelf, and we'll be good for the next time, which will probably be about a week, maybe two. Alright, thank you for watching the video, and enjoy the upcoming spring days, because they should be beautiful. As you can see, everything's blooming. Alright, take care, have a nice day, see you next time, bye.